Number 1. Burpees. Burpees use your entire body, and work to increase your lower and upper body strength and endurance. It can be performed anywhere and without any special equipment. It is a simple movement that only requires your body to complete. You no longer have an excuse not to exercise. Number 2. Mountain climbers. Mountain climbers are great for building cardio endurance, core strength, and agility. This exercise works some of the biggest muscle groups in your body: the shoulders, abs, lower back, glutes, hamstrings and quads. It is incredibly efficient, it improves mobility, supports heart health, and it has low impact on your joints. Number 3. Squat jumps. This exercise strengthens your core, reduces the risk of injury, crushes calories, and boosts athletic ability and strength. To do squats jumps, you don't need any equipment. Number 4. Kettlebell swings. Kettlebell swings are a low-impact, high-intensity exercise that enhances your cardiovascular fitness, muscular strength, and explosive power. They are practical for anyone with a busy schedule because they also burn a ton of calories quickly. Number 5. High knees. High knees are considered a cardiovascular exercise. It improves cardiovascular endurance, burns calories, boosts lower body endurance and strength, improves coordination, and strengthens the abdominal muscles.